Imagine walking into your living room, picking up a sleek piece of aluminum, and with one tap, your entire home transforms. The lights dim, the curtains close, and your TV screen explodes into a world of color so vivid it feels like you could step right through the glass. This isn't a scene from a sci-fi movie. This is the reality of the Apple TV 4K in 2026. But here's the thing. Most people who own this device are using less than 10% of its true power. They think it's just another streaming box, like a Roku or a Fire Stick. They couldn't be more wrong. Today, we're going deep. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. We're uncovering why the Apple TV 4K is secretly the most powerful computer in your house, the hidden features that Apple doesn't talk about, and the massive 2026 hardware leaks that are about to change everything. If you think you know the Apple TV, stick around, because by the end of this, you'll realize you've been living in the stone age of entertainment. Let's start with the big elephant in the room. Why would anyone pay over $100 for a streaming box when you can get a stick for $29? The answer lies in something called the silicon gap. Inside that small black box is a processor that puts most mid-range laptops to shame. While other sticks struggle to load a menu without stuttering, the Apple TV 4K treats 4K Dolby Vision like it's a walk in the park. But in 2026, things just got a lot more intense. With the rumored shift to the A18 chip and a massive jump to 8 GB of RAM, this isn't just a player anymore, it's an AI powerhouse. Think about the last time you searched for a movie. You probably typed in the title, letter by letter, like it was 2005. Or maybe you yelled at your remote and it gave you 10 wrong answers. With the new Apple Intelligence integration coming to tvOS, that's over. We're talking about a Siri that actually understands context. You can say, show me that movie where the guy goes to space and there's a robot that looks like a box. And boom, Interstellar is playing. No more scrolling. No more frustration. This is the zero-friction era of entertainment. But let's talk about the hardware you have right now. Did you know your Apple TV can actually make your TV's picture quality better without you touching a single setting on the TV itself? It's called color balance. Most people ignore this, but it's a game changer. You take your iPhone, point the front camera at your TV screen, and the Apple TV sends a series of color patterns. It measures what your TV is actually displaying and then adjusts its output to give you Hollywood-accurate colors. You've been watching movies with a blue or yellow tint for years and didn't even know it. This one trick alone justifies the price of the device. Now, let's get into the invisible ecosystem. This is where USA users get the most value. If you have AirPods, you already know about instant pairing. But have you tried personalized spatial audio? By scanning your ears with your iPhone, the Apple TV creates a 3D sound map unique to the shape of your head. When you watch an action movie at 2 a.m., you're getting a full theater experience with exploding helicopters and whistling wind, all while the person sleeping next to you hears absolutely nothing. It's not just loud sound, it's directional reality. And it's not just about movies. Apple is quietly turning the Apple TV into a legitimate gaming console. With the A18 chip, we're seeing hardware-accelerated ray tracing. This means lighting and reflections in games look as real as they do on a PS5. When you pair a PlayStation